Hello po tita, happy birthday po, and I wish you a good health, happiness, and many more blessings to come. And for me, I wanted to thank you for raising Jadelle in such a wonderful way. And actually, she's truly a reflection of how amazing you are as a mother. And please do enjoy your special day. And I hope that this year will bring you even more like reasons to smile. And God bless you as always, Tita, and happy birthday.
For my one and only ate, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Potensiana. May you have many more birthdays to come. Stay beautiful and enjoy your day. I love you. Mwah.
Birthday, May. Love you. More blessing. Ingat ka palagi. Matanda ka na. Pahinging pera.
Happy birthday ate. Mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo. At sana hindi ka magkasakit. Laging happy lang, huwag stress. Lagi ka lang dapat masaya. Huwag kang magpapa-apekto sa iba. Ayun lang. God bless.
Happy birthday me. Happy birthday daw. Winnie baby. Love you.
Happy birthday po, tita. Stay strong and pretty. Mahal ka po namin and ingat ka po palagi.
Happy birthday po, tita. Enjoy your day po. Ingat po kayo palagi. God bless po.
Happy birthday, Tita Cristiana. Wishing you a beautiful day and more blessings and happiness to your family. Happy birthday po.